Hello everyone, this is Gabriel, the Forex Helper, and I'm here to talk about the Forex account management service that we have. Okay, now what is Forex account management? It's just basically we manage your money for you. So you take some money, you apply for a broker account. Once you do that, you deposit that money in that broker account. You contact us and we will buy and sell certain things in the market that will help your money grow inside your broker account. That's pretty much like the most basic explanation that I can give, because some people may not know exactly what that entails. Okay, so how does it work? How much does it cost? All right, our Forex account management is $69.99 a month. Okay, now if you want the discounted version for $39.99 a month, you must sign up through the broker that we give you. So we'll give you a link. You sign up with that broker. Once you sign up with that broker, you let us know that they gave you the A-OK, the green light. When they give you the A-OK, the green light, and you let us know, then guess what? You make your payment, $39.99 a month. You get the A-OK green light, and we'll trade on your behalf. We'll put all the right trades in your account. You'll be able to collect the profits that you make, and that's pretty much how it works, guys. Once again, this is Gabriel. Thank you for your time, and God bless you.